Hi, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, good, thank you.
You speak good.
Okay, now there are two of us, and can I please ask you to speak slower so we can
Right.
better understand?
Okay. I'm just going to identify who I am. Basically, I was sitting at the back of the Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses on the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, Lincoln, UK. Yeah.
Okay.
I went to one of the brothers after the meeting, and I asked to see one of the elders. So the presiding overseer came up to me, John Dunlop. He says, I've got to get another elder, and he got Paul Tucker. So we went in the back room, the back room, and it had windows, large windows with blinds on it. Do you understand?
Sure, yeah.
So we were talking together, and basically you could hear the brothers and sisters talking, about 70 brothers and sisters. You could hear the noise through the windows. Do you get what I mean? Talking.
Okay.
Well, all of a sudden the noise stopped abruptly. I said to John, hang on. It was noticeable. I said, hang on, John, why is the brothers and sisters stop talking? I went straight out the door with the brothers, the elders, and everybody had disappeared, vanished. Right?
Okay.
And I've heard a story about this. I don't know whether it was in a magazine, a WATCHTOWER 08 magazine, but basically in Africa, some American soldiers went into a Kingdom Hall to arrest them, and they looked round and they couldn't see anybody because Jehovah made them disappear or not be visible. That is a story I heard when I was a teenager, when I was a Jehovah's Witness. So it's not impossible for God. Right? Now, Malachi 4 verse 5 says, look, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and inspiring day of Jehovah. That is me. The cleansing of Jehovah's temple, the watchtower, of the false doctrines of 607 and Jesus dying on Nisan 14th. Right? Jehovah's Witnesses believe that Jesus cleansed the temple in 1919, don't they? Yeah.
Okay, so can we ask you what your question is?
I'm telling you, I'm Elijah. I rang the Australia branch on yesterday, the 18th, at 12:35 a.m. 2 hours later, there was a supernatural light in the north, really bright, with an apparition of an angel just in the houses below. I've got it on camera. Look on my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashe, HACCHE, and see who I am. I am Elijah. And you're running scared because every elder puts the phone down on me after 10 minutes. They can't last 10 minutes. You are going down. 144 letter exposing Watchtower's false belief is going out to every single branch office. Why did you join the United Nations in 1992? You committed spiritual adultery.
We'll stop. Okay. Can we speak now?
Yep.
Can we speak now?
Yep.
So, you have reached the Croatia branch office.
Exactly.
You apparently are calling from Britain.
Yep.
So, for any question or anything else, please contact your the branch that's in your...
But they already know about it, because a few months ago I rang them up and says, oh, hello, brother, what's God's name? And he goes, how's your dad, David Hashe? Well, they could have only got that from a Facebook page saying where I was the Lion of Judah. My name, Hashe, comes from North Germany, and there's proof that they were the lost tribes of Israel, including the Lion of Judah. So I am the Lion of Judah.
Okay, we are more than happy to help you.
No, you're not. You're not listening. You're scared again. You're scared again. They're frightened. The most ruthless prophet, Jehovah's prophet, is sent back to earth to take over the watchtower and the governing body, right? Why did Jehovah's Witnesses teach that Elijah the prophet in Malachi 4:5 is the Elijah class, a group of anointed people?
Okay, we are not afraid of anyone. We don't consider this call frightening at all.
Right, why won't you listen? Do you want to hear the other supernatural experiences? You know, I was in hospital. I got sectioned 10 times. Do you know Daniel's here? Prophet Daniel's here.
Apparently, we cannot conduct a normal conversation, right?
I'm telling you, Daniel, a staff member, said he was Daniel the prophet in a mental hospital.
Okay, you're going to stop this conversation.
You're scared, running scared. I'm going to ring every branch office around the world today. Ha ha! You see, Mike and Kim, they're going down. Lloyd Evans, listen to this. Winston Gillen, Watchtower are going down. This is child's play. The Doctor Who series is based on me. I'm going to destroy the Daleks, which is the Watchtower and the Jehovah's Witnesses. What did the Daleks say? Exterminate, exterminate. That's the disfellowshipping what they do. Ha ha! I'm winning the battle. Ha! Goodbye for now.